bed making unoccupied bed. And the definition is unoccupied bed. It is a type of bed without a client on it. And the purpose is to provide comfort to the client, to increase sense of well-being, to provide clean, neat environment for the client, to provide wrinkle-free bed, and to minimize skin irritation. And the equipment for unoccupied bed is bottom sheet, top sheet, blanket, cotton roll sheet, pillowcase, a hamper for soiled linen. The first procedure is check the activity order of the client, and the rationale is to confirm if it's possible to move the client out of the bed. Next procedure is wash hands. The rationale is for injection control or minimize the spread of microorganisms. And the next procedure is gather linens to be used and arrange according to the use. And the rationale is to be systematic and save time and effort. Next is raise the bed to a comfortable working high level, and the rationale is to avoid muscle strain and injury to the healthcare provider. Next procedure is remove items to be reused. Fold and place them across to the backrest of the chair and do not shake the linens. And the procedure is to reduce the spread of microorganisms. Next procedure is loosen the top sheet and bottom of the linen and the mattress. Start from the head to the foot on one side, from the foot, head, and to opposite side. And the rationale is to conserve frequency of walking around the bed. Next procedure is fold soiled linens toward the middle of the bed and place it in the hamper. Keep the soiled linen away from your uniform, and the rationale is to prevent contaminating of your uniform from the dirt or soiled linen. The next procedure is place a button sheet on the bed. Begin at the foot of the bed, ensuring the bottom edge is seamed side down. So the rationale is to ensure that the client is touching the smooth side of the linen. The next procedure is moving to the head of the bed on the same side. Fold the sheet under the mattress and meet the corner top hanging edge of the sheet. And the rationale is mitering corner firmly with anchor the sheet on the mattress. Next procedure is place the rubber draw sheet. About 2 to 15 inches from the head of the mattress. Tuck smoothly, and the rationale is use only one client with uncontinuous and bleeding. procedure, cover rubber sheet with cotton roll sheet. It should be about 2 to 3 inches higher than the rubber sheet, tacked smoothly and tightly. And the rationale is to avoid skin irritation from the rubber sheet. Next procedure, from the same side of the bed, spread top sheet with the same side up and center crease in the middle of the bed, tap at the bottom of the meter. And the rationale is to ensure that the smooth side of the top sheet is in the contact with the client's skin. Next procedure is walk around the other side of the bed and make the second side of the same manner as above. And the rationale is same as the above. Next procedure is fold the top sheet over 6 inches at the head of the bed and unfold. The rationale is unfold the top sheet mounts the bed, yet this is easily to fold. The next procedure is insert clean pillowcase by grasping the clean end, turning the pillowcase inside out and pulling it over the pillow. And the rationale is the clean pillowcase must not touch the healthcare provider uniform to decrease the transfer of microorganisms. Next procedure is place pillow on the head of the bed with the open end of the pillow facing away from the door, and the rationale is to aesthetic purposes. And that's all for the unoccupied bed making.